Welcome dear friends. Today we are going to discuss the volume of right circular cone. So dear friends, I think in my previous lecture that we have discussed what is the volume of the right circular cone. As you know that the right circular cone having two faces, its base is circular, and base radius is r. This is the base radius which is r, and this is the height, actual height, this is called h. This is the slant height. You know that the relation between slant height, actual height and the radius of the base of this right circular cylinder, L square is equals to h square plus r square. So as we are going to find out the volume of this right circular cone, so the volume of cone is equals to 1/3 of pi r square h. So dear friends, this formula is the volume of the right circular cone. We are going to discuss through few examples and the sums of the exercise question. See friends, example number 15. In this the question is given, the height and slant height of a cone are 21 centimeter and 28 centimeter. Means height h is 21 centimeter and slant height L is given 28 centimeter, right? The height and slant height of a cone are 21 centimeter and 28 centimeter respectively. Then find the volume of cone. So to find out the volume of cone, we need the radius of base of the cone. Means पहले तो हमें इसके बेस का रेडियस फाइंड करना होगा by the formula of L square is equals to h square plus r square. So see the solution of this question. As this is given, so since you know that L square is equals to h square plus r square. So L square means 28 square equals to h is 21 square plus r square. इस इक्वेशन से हमें r की वैल्यू मिल जाएगी एंड आफ्टर गेटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ r फिर हम वॉल्यूम इजीली फाइंड कर सकते हैं. So it is 28 square minus 21 square is equals to r square, and you know the formula a square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. So let's a plus b 28 plus 21 into a minus b 28 minus 21 is equals to r square. So this is 49 multiplied by 7 is equals to r square. So 7 7s are 49. So r is equals to 7 root 7. R square is equals to 7 9s are 63. Carry 6. 7 4s are 28 plus 6 is 34. Right? As we are getting the value of r square, then we can find the volume of cone easily. So the volume of cone is equals to, therefore volume of cone is equals to 1/3 pi r square into h. Okay, as we know that the volume of cone is 1/3 pi r square h. So let's substitute the value of pi, which is 22 upon 7, r square, the value of r square is 343 as we have calculated it, and h is 21 centimeter. So substitute the values, we will get 1/3 pi 22 upon 7, r square is 343 into height is 21 centimeter cube. So 7 3s are 21 is cancelled. Now we got 22 multiplied by 343 centimeter cube. Let's multiply it. 343 multiplied by 22. 3 2s are 6, 8 and 6. Let's multiply 6, 8 6 14, 14 1 15 and 7. 7546 cubic centimeter is the volume of this cone, which is given of height is 21 centimeter and slant height is 28 centimeter, right friends? So in this easily you just calculate. Here it was given as height is 21 centimeter and slant height is 28 centimeter. तो हमने क्या किया, first of all we have to apply this formula of L square is equals to H square plus R square. From this formula we got the value of R square. R square की value हमने find out कर लिया. Here you just see, here we have applied the formula of A square minus B square, and A square minus B square is equals to A plus B into A minus B, you know it better. So this 28 square minus 21 square can be written as 28 plus 21 into 28 minus 21, which is 49 into 7. So R square की value हमें मिल गई 343. After getting the value of R square, we have applied this there in the formula of volume of cone 1/3 pi r square h. फिर हमें आंसर क्या मिला, 7546 cubic centimeter is the volume of that cone, right friends? Okay friends, let's see the example number 16. In this it is given, Monica has a piece of canvas whose area is 551 meters square. She has a piece of canvas that's area is given 551 meters square. She uses it to have a conical tent made with base radius 7 meter. She wants to make that with the help of those canvas to make a tent, and whose radius of base will be 7 meter, right? Assuming that all the stitching margins and the wastage incurred while cutting amount approximately 1 meter square, means the wastage amount जब उसको कटिंग किया जाता है या स्टिचिंग किया जाता है तो 1 meter square is used for wastage. Find the volume of tent that can be made with it. So as you know that she has the canvas of area 551 meters square. The total area of canvas is 551 meters square. See the solution of it, right friends? So total area of canvas Monica has is equals to 551 meters square. Now 1 meter square is in the wastage. So wastage for the stitching as a margins. So in the wastage that is 1 meter square. So now the area of canvas which is used for making the tent. So therefore area of canvas used for tent, which is equals to 551 minus 1 meter square, that gives you 550 meter square, and this area of canvas will be the chord surface area of that conical tent. So this area is equals to the chord surface area of conical tent, right? and you know that chord surface area of conical tent is pi r into L is equals to 550 meter square. Now the radius of base is given here, that is 7 is 550. Let us find out the value of this slant height, substituting the value of pi and radius, which is 7 meter. So pi is 22 upon 7 multiplied by radius 7 into L, which is 550. So 7 is cancelled. L is equals to 550 multiplied by 22, which is 50 upon 2, that is 25 meter is the value of slant height of this conical tent. So after getting the value of slant height and radius is given 7 meter, we need to find out its actual height, the value of h, by the formula of L square is equals to h square plus r square. So since we know that L square is equals to h square plus r square, so it means 25 square equals to h square plus r is 7 square. This gives you 625 minus 7 7 49 is equals to h square. So therefore h square is equals to, we need to subtract it, 15 minus 9 is 6, 15 minus 9 is 6, afterwards 11 minus 4 is 7, means 576. Therefore, which gives you that h is equals to under root 576, that gives you 24 meter. After getting its height, इसकी हाइट फाइंड करने के बाद फिर हम इसका टेंट का वॉल्यूम इजीली फाइंड कर सकते हैं. सो द वॉल्यूम ऑफ टेंट इज इक्वल्स टू, आर वॉल्यूम ऑफ टेंट मेड बाय मोनिका इज इक्वल्स टू वॉल्यूम ऑफ टेंट made by Monica equals to 1/3 pi r square into h. So 1/3 pi is 22 upon 7, r square 7 square into h is 24 meter cube. So 1 7 is cancelled, 3 8 are 24, we got 22 into 7 into 8 meter cube is the volume of that conical tent. Let's multiply it, that 8 2 are 16, 8 2 are 16, 117 multiplied by 7 meter cube, 7 6 are 42, 7 7 are 49 plus 4 is 53, 7 1 are 7 plus 5 is 12 meter cube. Therefore, volume of the tent, volume of tent made by Monica is 1232 meter cube is your required answer. Right friends, so in this what we have done, after getting this, the actual surface area of the tent, means the canvas which is used to make this tent, we got the value of slant height. Slant height came 25 meter. 25 मीटर फाइंड करने के बाद हम क्या करेंगे, इसमें एक्चुअल हाइट की वैल्यू फाइंड किया, दैट एच स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू 576. सो एच इज इक्वल्स टू 24 मीटर. वी गॉट द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ दिस 576. सो द वॉल्यूम ऑफ टेंट इज 1/3 pi r square h because it is in the shape of cone. So 1/3 pi r square h we have to use. So we got 1232 meter cube is the actual volume of the tent made by the Monica, right?